Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class we are going to discuss about introduction of Geographical Information System, that is GIS in geography. Okay, this is an important topic in our UGC NET examination geography paper 2. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the class. First of all, what is GIS? Okay, Geographic Information System. A system designed to capture, store, manipulate, analyze, manage and present spatial or geographical data. GIS allows users to create interactive queries, analyze spatial information, edit data in maps and present results. First used by Roger Tomlinson in 1968. He is also known as father of GIS. Okay, also known as Geographic Information System, GIS science. And core purpose: spatial queries, analysis, editing and visualization. Okay, 5 key components of GIS: hardware, software, data, people and procedures. Okay, components of GIS: hardware, run on computers from centralized servers to desktops, include storage, display, input processing and output subsystems. Software: tools for data entry, editing and maintenance, DBMS for spatial data, GUI for assessing tools, analysis and visualization software. Data: digital maps for basic data input. GIS integrates spatial data with other data resources, can use DBMS to manage spatial data. People: engineers, specialists, scientists, policymakers, indispensable for GIS success, use GIS to evolve decision support systems. Procedures: includes retrieval, input, storage, management, transformation, analysis and presentation. Operates according to well-designed plans. Okay, now forms of data in GIS. There are two types of data in GIS: spatial data and non-spatial data. Okay, spatial data characterized by positional, linear and polygonal aerial forms. Points: schools, hospitals, wells, tube wells, villages are shown in point features. Lines: for the lines we can show roads, canals, rivers, railways, communications and electric lines. Polygons: we can demonstrate and visualized administrative units, land use types, ponds and lakes, etc. Stored as coordinate and typology assessed for GIS. Non-spatial data, also called attribute data, gives information about spatial data and defines attributes of spatial data. Example: if a map shows an administrative unit, that is block, all information about the block is known as non-spatial data. Nature: typically non-spatial data is it does not directly or indirectly refer to location. Population data for cities, districts is non-spatial type but has relationship with a specific locations. Okay, functions of GIS: data entry, that means capture and input of spatial and non-spatial data into the GIS database. Data display: visualization of spatial data as maps, charts and geographic outputs. Data management: storage, retrieval and updating of spatial and attribute data. Information retrieval: selective search and manipulation of stored data without creating new entities. Analysis: spatial and attribute analysis to answer real-world geographic questions. GIS data conversion: IGIS MAP converter provides online conversion of vector and raster geospatial data between formats and coordinate reference systems. GIS analysis functions: spatial decision support system SDSS, a combination of datasets plus GIS software plus rules plus reasoning mechanism, that is inference engine. Data is stored in layers and themes. 3 main query classes: maintenance and analysis of spatial data, maintenance and analysis of attribute data, and integrated analysis of spatial and attribute data. Overlay functions: combine 2 spatial layers through intersection, union, difference, complement. Example: potato fields on clay soils, intersection. Neighborhood functions: search functions, rectangle, circle, polygon and windows, line in polygon, point in polygon, buffer zone, generation in buffering. Connectivity functions: network analysis, shortest and path routing, contiguity measures, visibility functions, view set modeling using DTM, digital terrain model. Retrieval and classification and measurement: selective retrieval, classification by attribute values, generalization, measurement of distances, lengths and areas. Okay, spatial data functions and transformations. Spatial data functions: format transformation, converting between data formats of different systems, like example reading a DXF file into GIS. Digital files transformed to GIS format. Geometric transformations obtain data from hard copy by digitizing, transforms device coordinate to geographic coordinates, meters, etc. Then map projections provide means to map geographic coordinates onto flat surface for map construction and vice versa. Edge matching, joining two or more map sheets, feature representations matches at sheet edge so they can be combined. Graphic element editing changes digitized features to correct errors and prepare clean data sheet for topology. Key transformation types, format transformations, convert raster to vector or vector to raster, involves complex data exporting or importing procedures. Geometric transformations assigns ground coordinates to map data layer in GIS or adjust layers for correct overlay registration. Projection transformations, mathematical transformation to represent a spherical surface on a flat map, assigns unique location on spherical surface to 2D map. Conflation, reconciling positions of corresponding features in different data layers so they overlay precisely. Edge matching, adjusting positions of features extending across map sheets boundaries so all cross adjacent sheets have some edge locations. Applications of GIS, mapping, telecom and network, accident and hotspot analysis, urban planning, transportation planning, environmental impact analysis, agricultural applications, disaster management, navigation, flood damage estimation, natural resource management, banking and taxation, surveying, GNSS, global navigational satellite system, geology and assets management. Thematic cartography. Thematic maps consist mainly of non-topographic phenomena related to the Earth's surface with geospatial location, extent or motion. They can depict real things as well as relationships, functions, hypotheses, mental imaginations, possibilities, and projects. Map types. Single-layered maps depict neighboring elements based on location area signatures. No superposition of layers, constrained to one statement layer, better readability. Multi-layered maps, when different signature layers, quantitative as well as qualitative, are superimposed, high density of information. Map labels, analytical, complex, and synthetic. Design and thematic content, four basic design principles: location principle, image static principle, chart principle, and pictorial principle. Thematic content evaluation criteria: accuracy, completeness, correctness, validity, maintenance, coverage, actuality, reliability, plausibility, readability, data format, and provenance. Mapping techniques, point distributions, area classes, isolines, networks, and others. Okay, quick revision. Father of GIS, Roger Tomlinson in 1968. GIS components, hardware, software, data, people, and procedures. Spatial data types, points, lines, and polygons. Non-spatial data, also called attribute data. GIS functions, data entry, display management, retrieval and analysis. SDSS full form, spatial decision support system. Conflation, reconciling positions of features in different data layers. Edge matching, adjusting features across map sheet boundaries. Buffer zone, best example of proximity neighborhood function. Thematic map labels, analytical, complex, and synthetic. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt or inquiry, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.